still part of this, whether you like it or not.
I'm sorry, I don't think so.
You remember what I told you? It's not over.